This is part 3 of mastering your health insurance lingo. Today, we're going to talk about out-of-network, EOBs, and pre-authorization. What is out-of-network mean? So when you're out of network, you're outside of the group of providers, the doctors and hospitals who have contracted with your insurance company to offer a discounted rate or a contracted rate for certain covered medical services. So when you're outside of the network, it means that you are not within that group. So what'll happen is that you'll pay a little bit more out of pocket if you go out of network on some plans. If you have a PPO, you can go out of network, but you'll pay more. If you have a marketplace plan, you've really got to be careful because you may not have any out of network benefits. Like a lot of the marketplace plans don't offer out of network benefits. So that's where you want to make sure that you understand how your network works. And here's a pro tip. If you know that your provider does not accept insurance or they're out of network for your particular insurance plan, you're gonna wanna ask them what the self-pay or the cash price is for any service that you're wanting to get. And that way you'll avoid getting those like surprises at the end. You're also gonna wanna know if they're willing to bill out of network, even though they're out of network, if they're willing to bill the insurance company for you. Otherwise, you would have to request a super bill and then go ahead and file the claim on your own. If you have a PPO, you can do that, and then your insurance should reimburse you a part of it at least. What is an EOB? Okay, so an EOB is an explanation of benefits statement. You get these in the mail and sometimes also via email from your insurance company, okay? And these come from the insurance company every single time that a claim is filed by a provider. So every time you go to the doctor and you go get some kind of medical treatment, even if it's a prescription drug, and you go through the insurance, there's going to be a claim that's filed, that's processed, and then it's going to result in the insurance company producing this EOB. And so what the EOB does is it explains how your insurance coverage was allocated to what the services actually charge, or what the doctor actually charged for those services. It'll tell you how the benefits were allocated, and it'll show you at the very bottom the amount that you may owe. And so that amount is really important to know and to keep track of, because whatever the amount on the bill is that they're saying that you owe should match or should definitely not exceed the amount that your EOB says that you may owe. So the EOB is really there to protect you. It's there to give you the insider knowledge about how your claim was processed, so you know how your insurance works, and so that you don't overpay a bill unnecessarily. So what is pre-authorization? And sometimes it's called prior authorization. So this is a process of getting approval from your insurance company before they actually go through a procedure or a treatment or file the claim. They want to get approval to make sure that that the service is actually going to be covered. And so what this is a decision by the health insurance company or your plan to basically confirm that what you're getting, like it could be a prescription drug, a medical device that you need, a procedure, that any of those is medically necessary. So that's what they're confirming with by saying, yes, we give you the prior authorization. So if you need help with your health insurance and decoding some of this mysterious lingo and want to do it one-on-one with me, I would love to help you with your health insurance, and I would love to help you and your family. And if you have a small business, I would love to help them as well. You can find me at alexthehealthagent.com or follow me on Instagram, where I have tons of other fun, helpful videos like this one. And if you liked this video, please share it and comment, like, and subscribe.